When it comes to travelling with your children, safety is the #1 priority. Understanding the differences between a baby capsule or carrier and a baby car seat can help you make the right choice for your child. A baby capsule, sometimes also referred to as a carrier, consists of 2 parts: a stay-in-the-car base and a removable capsule. Designed specifically for newborns, baby capsules can only be installed in a rear-facing position, providing optimal protection and comfort for our younger babies. Capsules are suitable for babies up to approximately 6 to 12 months, depending on their size. Babies have outgrown the capsule when they exceed the shoulder height marker in the seat. They can then transition to a rearward-facing car seat. Unlike a baby capsule, a car seat is installed in the vehicle and baby is harnessed in the vehicle. Some parents choose a convertible car seat for their newborns, and these seats are designed to be both rearward-facing and forward-facing. It is recommended to keep your baby rearward-facing in their car seat until they reach the maximum shoulder height limits of the seat. Extended rear-facing options are available on some convertible car seat models, which have the ability to transport a child in a rearward-facing position for longer, up to approximately 2 to 3 years or 30 months of age. Once your baby has exceeded the maximum limits of the shoulder height markers of your car seat in the rearward-facing position, they transition to forward-facing in their car seat. Children have outgrown their forward-facing car seat when they have exceeded the maximum shoulder height limits on that seat. It's recommended to keep your child in their car seat until they no longer fit. It is important to remember, children aged 6 months to 4 years of age must use either a rearward-facing car seat or a forward-facing car seat with an inbuilt harness. The seat must be properly fitted and adjusted to fit your child's body correctly. Children under 4 years old must not sit in the front seat of a vehicle with 2 or more rows of seats. By following these guidelines and recommendations, you're ensuring your child travels safely and comfortably. Remember, vehicle safety starts with the right seat, proper installation, and making sure your child is harnessed correctly.